Fixing wall studs that went all wonky after drying is super important to keep your walls looking straight and your cabinets fitting just right. So, first off, if you notice some studs are sticking out or sinking in, grab a shim and slide it behind the low side to even things out. When a stud is too proud, a quick pass with a hand plane or sander will knock it down flush with the others. Sometimes, the studs need extra support, so adding blocking between them can help keep everything locked tight and straight. If a stud just won't line up on its own, use some diagonal bracing to pull it into place before nailing it down hard. Don't forget to use plenty of nails or screws to make sure nothing moves again later. Measure your wall with a level or straight edge often while you work to catch any misalignment early. If you're dealing with several crooked studs, it might be worth checking if the bottom or top plates are straight, because those can throw everything off. Lastly, patience is key. Sometimes you gotta tweak a little here and there until it feels solid and looks good. One of the biggest mistakes when correcting out of alignment studs is ignoring the root cause, like warped bottom plates, which just leads to more crooked walls. Fixing or replacing those plates first can save a lot of hassle. Another common issue is using too few fasteners after adjusting studs, which lets them shift again once the drywall goes up. Always re-nail or screw securely for long-term stability. Finally, people often forget to check for plumb and level regularly, so they end up with walls that look fine at first but mess up cabinets or trim later. Keep a level handy and check your work constantly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. And for contractors, it's a great way to find steady work and build a solid client base without all the extra hassle.